Yeah. Everybody said that anybody could do the important things somebody should do. Everybody knows that anybody could do all the good things that nobody did. Well, the preacher came to me and said what I ought to do if I wanted to make my religion true. He did it himself, but he really didn't have the time. He said that the duty wasn't mine. Everybody said that anybody could, not me. The important thing somebody should. Not that I know. Everybody knows that anybody could do all the good things that nobody did. Well, why me? Everybody said anybody could, not me. If you want a job done, somebody. Where the deacon came by and said, give me a hand if you want to point to the promised land. Here is something that I don't have time to do, so I better give it to you. Hey! Everybody said that anybody could do the important things somebody should. Not that I know. Everybody knows that anybody could do all the good things that nobody did. Everybody said that anybody could do. You want a job done? The important thing somebody should do. Well, I'm too busy, so I tell everybody the work's gotta get done by somebody. It could be done by anybody, but nobody did. Everybody said that anybody could do the important things somebody should do. Everybody knows that anybody could do all the good things that nobody did. Everybody said that anybody could do. You want a job done? Somebody should. I'm not gonna do it. Knows that anybody could. Don't look at me. All the good